How's it going, everybody? This is Derek Quick with Financial Fortune. I hope you took advantage of the drop in Tesla after hours. I know I did. I bought about 75 more shares once it dropped below that 420 price. I couldn't resist. Tell the world what you intend to do, but show them first. And tomorrow at Battery Day, I believe the stock is going to go to $500 and more. Now, this is what Elon said. He says, we intend to increase, not reduce battery cell purchases from Panasonic, LG, possibly other partners. However, even with our cell suppliers going at maximum speed, we will still foresee significant shortages in 2022 and beyond, unless we also take action ourselves. Now, what Elon is pretty much saying is their demand is so high in Tesla cars and other products that the supply of all these rare earth materials is very limited, and just the production of these batteries is also very limited, so they need to ramp things up. Now, I don't understand why everyone is very angry about this. Let me know in the comments below why you think this is a bad thing. He also tweeted that it's important note about Tesla Battery Day unveiled tomorrow. This was the main tweet. This after long-term production, especially Semi, Cybertruck, and Roadster, but what we will announce will not reach serious high volume production until 2022. This is a gift, Tesla shareholders. Don't be mad like I've seen all over Twitter. A lot of people have been saying,
why are you tweeting after hours? You're crashing the stock.
So this reveal tomorrow, they're not going to be in high volume production, which is totally fine. It's going to be a new technology probably. It's something that's probably going to be phenomenal, as Elon said. He said it's going to be very insane when someone tweeted out this leak of the cell battery for the Tesla Roadrunner. Now, Elon is probably one of the greatest salesmen and marketers out there. And what I think he's doing right now is getting a lot more eyes on the fact that there is a reveal tomorrow. Now, after market hours, it's about 427 right now. Overall today, the market sold off. Otherwise, the technology sector was somewhat green, but everything else sold off. So this was another reason. The Tesla short volume was around 21 million too. I think shorts took advantage of that tweet because they like to use anything Elon says against him. Please hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know in the comment sections below what you think Tesla is going to do tomorrow after Battery Day reveal and what you think is actually going to be revealed.